It's a beautiful hot Sunday morning. I got up a while now, but I was going through some things upstairs. So let's see what's going on with the tube this morning. It's now Sunday morning. I'm gonna go to Walmart, grab a couple of personal items. It's super hot outside already. It's now 9:30 and it's super hot. Went outside to the van a while ago, but it's just super hot. And of course, it was raining all day yesterday and the day before yesterday, and then it's a Sunday, so it's sunny. I gotta cut this lawn. I'm gonna probably cut it tomorrow. Yeah. But yeah, it's super muggy outside already. It's just 9:30 and it's muggy hot. Today is probably gonna be a hot day, like 90s. Feels like a 90s. It's kind of windy out here. It's, the wind is blowing, but it's warm. Real summer weather. Yeah, guys. So it's a chill day. Yesterday I cleaned the van up. I'm gonna edit yesterday video this morning today after I come back from Walmart. But today is just a chill day. Not much I could do. I've been searching for equipment for that 3-tier sink. So by the end of the day tonight, I'm gonna order a new one online. I'm not able to find anything, so I'll probably just order it online, or I'll probably just wait. I'm going out of town this weekend, so I'll probably just wait and order it so it comes while I'm here. I don't want to order it and when I'm not here it shows up. So yeah, it's a beautiful day, beautiful Sunday. I'm just gonna go by the salon sometime today and check, see if everything else is good. I'm gonna cut the lawn tomorrow. I'm just here chilling today. Not much today I'm doing today. Just gonna edit videos and chill day. I got some more ripe bananas. I might make another banana bread or banana cake. I could give it away, so I'll make it, slice it up and give it away. I don't like throwing away stuff. If I could repurpose it, then I'll do it, like fruits and stuff. If the fruit is I'll make a juice with it, or bananas, I'll make a bread or a fritter. If I have rice that I made, I'll turn it into fried rice, instead of just throwing it out. There's always ways you could use it as an ingredient to make something else instead of throwing it out. But yeah, guys, stay tuned. Today is not going to be a busy day, but I'm going to go on the road, so I'll film that. If I go to Walmart, I'll go to film that. I might go swap that van out. I have the van in the front. I might swap it out and go get the pickup truck. So I'll probably do that today. But yeah, stay tuned. I'm on it.